Hi everybody, 11 Institute welcomes all the students of class 9 to subject mathematics. We have been discussing chapter number 2 polynomials, and this is video lecture number 2. In today's video lecture we will again have a short revision of zeros of polynomials, and then we shall move ahead and continue the chapter. So zeros of polynomial, or specifically speaking about value of a polynomial, is nothing but a substitution, right? Let us take an example. For example, I am having a polynomial with variable x. Px is equal to x square minus 5x, or let us take plus 5x plus 6. This is suppose a polynomial. Now simply if I put the value of x over here, why? Because what is x? X is variable, means I can change the value of x. It can vary, so it is known as variable. So instead of x I can write 1, I can write 2, I can write 3, I can write anything. So let us put different values of x over here. Let me put over here x is equal to 1. So instead of px I will now get p of 1. Instead of px I will now get p of 1. So just instead of x I will write 1 over here. So this is 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 6. See, instead of x we have written 1 over here. So what we get is 1 square is 1, 5 ones are 5, and plus 6. So 1 plus 5 plus 6, the answer comes out to be 12. So what we can write over here is, when x is equal to 1, the polynomial is equal to 12. When x is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes 12. I hope this is quite clear to you. Let us take one more example over here. Let us take the value of x to be equal to 2. So at that time this will become p of 2. So we can write over here 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 6. So 2 square becomes 4, plus 5 twos are, it becomes 10, and plus 6. Right, so 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So we get p of 2 is equal to 20. This means that when x is equal to 2, the value of polynomial becomes 20. Fine. And now we will take one more example. Let x is equal to minus 2. So again we are having the same polynomial. Instead of x we will write minus 2 everywhere. Right, so minus 2 square is 4. 5 into minus 2 gives us minus 10, and here we are having plus 6. So 4 minus 10 plus 6. So we can write 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0, or we can write, when x is equal to minus 2, the value of polynomial becomes 0, and out of these all cases this case is important to us. This case is important to us. Let me tell you one more thing over here. Just let me create some space by erasing over here. Yes, see dear friends, you have done nothing. You have just taken different values of x. When you take different values of x, you get different values of px. But out of these different values of px, at a point of time you get 0 over here. So value of x which makes your polynomial 0, value of x which makes your polynomial 0 is known as 0 of your polynomial. I will write over here, value of x that makes polynomial 0 is called 0 of polynomial, is called 0 of polynomial. x ની એવી વેલ્યુ કે જેને પોલિનોમિયલ ની અંદર મૂકવાથી પોલિનોમિયલ નો આન્સર 0 આવે, એવી x ની વેલ્યુ ને પોલિનોમિયલ નો 0 કહેવાય. So in this example I can say that minus 2 is the zero of polynomial. Minus 2 is the zero of polynomial. Why I can say that? Because when I take x is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes 12. When I take x is equal to 2, the polynomial becomes 20. But when I take x is equal to minus 2, the polynomial becomes 0. આ વેલ્યુ મૂકવાથી પોલિનોમિયલ 0 થઈ જાય છે. તો આ જે વેલ્યુ છે એને શું કહેવાય? 0 ઓફ પોલિનોમિયલ. કેમ પેલું જે ભાઈ ડ્રાઇવિંગ કરતા હોય એને ડ્રાઈવર કહેવાય, જે ભાઈ બધાનો ઇલાજ કરે એને ડોક્ટર કહેવાય, જે ભાઈ તમને અત્યારે ભણાવે છે, the one who teaches you is teacher. એટલે જે માણસ જે કરે એવી એની ઓળખાણ બને. તો આ -2 શું કરે છે? -2 તમારા પોલિનોમિયલને 0 બનાવી દે છે. તો -2 ને શું કહેવાય? 0 ઓફ પોલિનોમિયલ. હું તમારો શું કહેવાઉં? ટીચર. Why? Because I am teaching you. In the same way, this -2 makes our polynomial 0. Hence it is known as 0 of polynomial. So I think the concept is very much clear. તો અહીંયા જ નથી, x ની અલગ અલગ વેલ્યુ મૂકવાથી અલગ અલગ આન્સર આવે છે. જે પોઈન્ટે આન્સર 0 આવે એ x ની વેલ્યુ આપણા પોલિનોમિયલનો 0 કહેવાય. That's it. Let us now move ahead and discuss the examples. So first of all we will see example number 2. Yes, so let us read. Find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. તો અહીંયા જ નથી કરવાનું, આ x ની વેલ્યુ 1 પોલિનોમિયલમાં મૂકવાની છે. That's it. અહીંયા y ની જગ્યાએ 2 મૂકવાનું છે અને અહીંયા t ની જગ્યાએ a મૂકવાનું છે, and we have to find the answer. So let us see the solution over here. Let us see the solution for the first one. What is given to us? Px is equal to 5h square, sorry, yes, 5h square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. So now instead of x we will just write 1. જ્યાં જ્યાં x દેખાય ત્યાં બધી જગ્યાએ 1 લખવાનો. તો 5 will remain as it is. પછી x ની જગ્યાએ શું લખવાનું? 1. તો બ્રેકેટમાં લખવાનું, અને x નો સ્ક્વેર હતો એના બદલે અહીંયા શું થઈ જશે હવે? 1 નો સ્ક્વેર. -3. ફરી પાછો x આવ્યો તો x ની જગ્યાએ શું લખવાનું? 1. And again we have plus 7. So now we can write p of 1 is equal to 1 square શું થાય? 1, and 1 into 5 is 5, minus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 7. જેટલી બી પોઝિટિવ ટર્મ્સ છે એને અલગ, નેગેટિવ ટર્મ્સ છે એને અલગ. So 5 plus 7 શું છે આપણા માટે? 12. So we can write p1 is equal to 12, અને આવડું આ -3 as it is. So when you subtract this, 12 minus 3, we get the answer 9. So we get p of 1 is equal to 9. I hope this is quite clear to you and you don't face any problems. Let us now see the solution of second one. So in second one, we have polynomial with variable y. So it is written as qy is equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11. Now what we have to take? We have to take y is equal to 2. So I can write therefore q of 2 is equal to 3 as it is. Now instead of y we have to write 2. So we will write 2 over here. અને અહીંયા y નો ક્યુબ હતો એની જગ્યાએ હવે 2 નો ક્યુબ થઈ જશે. Minus 4 into y, but instead of y we will again write 2. And plus root 11 will remain as it is. I hope you don't have any doubt in this. Now let us move ahead. q2 is equal to, what is 2 cube? 2 cube is 8. 2 નો ક્યુબ શું બની જશે 8 and 8 multiplied by 3 will become 24. 2 cube is 8, 8 3s are 24 minus 4 2s are 8 plus root 11. So again Q2 is equal to, what is 24 minus 8? 24 minus 8 is 16 and this plus root 11 will remain as it is. Now you cannot solve it further because 16 is a rational number, root 11 is an irrational number, both of them are unlike terms. So you cannot solve it further. So this is the answer for Q2. I hope you don't have any doubts. Let us now solve the third one. So third one is polynomial with variable t. So we can write over here pt is equal to 4t raised to 4 plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6. This is the polynomial that is given to us. Now instead of t we have to just write a. So let us substitute t with a. So we can write therefore polynomial with variable t is equal to. So now instead of t we will just put up the value of a. So we can write 4 as it is. Now instead of t raised to 4 we can write a raised to 4 plus 5 will again remain as it is. Instead of t cube we will write a cube minus instead of t square we will again write a square and plus 6 will remain as it is. So you have to take care that whenever you substitute the value you put a bracket over here. Now we will just remove the bracket and write the value over here. So pt will become 4a raised to 4 plus 5a cube minus a square plus 6. Now you cannot solve it further because these all are unlike terms. So this is the answer of p of a. Now I have voluntarily made a mistake over here. Can you find any mistake over here? Yes, we can find a mistake over here. We have substituted a instead of t, right? So here pt won't come. Please take care of that. So instead of t we have to write a. So we will write pa over here. So please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have written this in your book. Let us now move to example number 3. Yes. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of polynomial x plus 2. See, again this is simple. What you have to do is, instead of x you have to write minus 2, instead of x you have to write 2 and you have to find the value. તો એ તો સેમ જ પ્રોસેસ છે, બટ તમારે ચેક કરવાનું છે કે આ વેલ્યુ મૂકવાથી આન્સર 0 આવે છે કે નથી આવતો. We have to check. So let us see the solution. What is the polynomial given to us? X plus 2. Now we will take x is equal to minus 2. So we can write therefore p of minus 2. So instead of x now we will write minus 2 and we very well know that minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So what we get is p of minus 2 is equal to 0. હવે જો minus 2 મૂકવાથી આ પોલિનોમિયલ શું બની ગયો 0. So therefore we can write minus 2 is the 0 of given polynomial. Minus 2 is the 0 of given polynomial. બહુ સીધી વસ્તુ છે because minus 2 મૂકવાથી polynomial નો આન્સર શું બની ગયો 0. Fine. Now let us put the value of x is equal to 2. So again I will write over here that the value of polynomial is x plus 2. Now instead of x we will write 2. Right, so we can write therefore p of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. Right, instead of x we are writing 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is P of 2? P of 2 is 4. હવે અહીંયા 2 મૂકવાથી આન્સર 0 આવ્યો નહીં. So I can write therefore 2 is not the zero of given polynomial. Two is not the zero of given polynomial. Fine, very easy and very short also. So please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have written this. Let us now see example number 4. Find a zero of polynomial px is equal to 2h plus 1. અહીંયા આપણે 0 find કરવાનો છે. Now let us understand this. Let us see the solution for this. Yes. So what is the polynomial given to us? Px is equal to 2h plus 1. Now we want to find the zero. Zero no meaning શું છે? એવો નંબર કે જે તમારા પોલિનોમિયલ ને 0 બનાવી દે. મતલબ અલ્ટિમેટલી આપણી ઈચ્છા એવી છે કે પોલિનોમિયલ જે કંઈ બી હોય એ પોલિનોમિયલ 0 બની જાવો જોઈએ. તો આપણે પોલિનોમિયલ ને પહેલાથી 0 બનાવી દઈએ. શું લખવાનું આપણે અહીંયા આવા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ની અંદર? લેટ px is equal to 0. Let px is equal to 0. અલ્ટિમેટલી તો આવું જ થવાનું છે. તમે પોલિનોમિયલ ની અંદર ત્યાં વેલ્યુ મૂકી અને એને 0 બનાવવાના હતા. આપણે પોલિનોમિયલ ને પહેલાથી 0 બનાવી દઈએ. Let px is equal to 0. I hope this is clear to you. ગમે ત્યારે તમને એવું પૂછવામાં આવે ને find the zero of polynomial, એટલે આ જે કંઈ બી પોલિનોમિયલ હોય એને is equal to 0 લખી દેવાનો. Let px is equal to 0. Now let us substitute the value of px over here. So instead of px we can write 2h plus 1. જો આ px ની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું લખી શકીએ છીએ? 2h plus 1 is equal to 0. Now just simply solve this. x ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે ને હવે તો સૌથી પહેલા તો +1 પેલી બાજુ જશે તો -1 બની જશે. So we can write 2x is equal to -1. Now again મારે x ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવી છે તો 2 અહીંયા મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં છે, પેલી બાજુ જશે તો ક્યાં વયો જશે? ડિવિઝન માં. So I can write x is equal to -1/2. આ આપણે રિવર્સ સમ કર્યો કહેવાય. દર વખતે x ની વેલ્યુ આપી હોય ને આપણે ચેક કરવાની હોય. આ વખતે તો આપણને કીધું છે ભાઈ ગોતો, તો આપણે શું બનાવી દીધું? પોલિનોમિયલ ને પહેલાથી 0 બનાવી દીધો અને રિવર્સ માં x ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ થઈ રહી. So now I can write therefore -1/2 is the zero of given polynomial. Is the zero of given polynomial. Fine. I hope this is clear to you. Let us now verify this કે આ વાત સાચી છે. બરાબર ને? આન્સર આટલો જ છે. તમારે CW માં આટલું જ લખવાનું છે. અહીંયા હવે આપણે થોડું સમજીએ આ ટોપિક ને. Let us verify this કે આવું કરવાથી જે આન્સર મળે છે એ સાચો છે. Right? So we will verify over here. So in verification what we have px is equal to 2x plus 1. હવે આપણને આન્સર શું મળી ગયો? -1/2. એનો મીનિંગ શું છે કે જો હું x ની જગ્યાએ -1/2 મૂકું તો આન્સર 0 આવવો જોઈએ. તો લેટ અસ ટ્રાય ધીસ. p of -1/2. તો આ 2 as it is રહેશે. Instead of x we will write -1/2 અને આ +1 બી as it is. So now this 2 and this 2 gets cancel out. So p of -1/2 is equal to, અહીંયા ખાલી -1 છે અને પેલી બાજુ શું છે? +1. Now -1 plus 1 is 0. So it is verified. Therefore p of -1/2 is equal to 0. વાત બિલકુલ સાચી છે. એ x ની જગ્યાએ -1/2 મૂકવાથી આન્સર 0 આવે છે. રાઈટ આવે જ ને આપણે પહેલાથી પોલિનોમિયલ ને 0 બનાવી દીધો છે તો ડેફિનેટલી આવવું જ જોઈએ બટ આ જસ્ટ સમજાવવા માટે છે that this is verified right. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have written this. Let us now see one more question. Example number 5. Verify that 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomials x square minus 2x. This is exactly similar to example number 3. Instead of x, we have to one time put the value 2 and another time we have to put the value 0 and we have to check. So let us see the solution. Yes. So we have polynomial px is equal to x square minus 2x. Now instead of x we will write 2. So p of 2 instead of x again we will write over here 2. So 2 square minus 2 and again instead of x we will write 2 over here. Don't be confused. x ની જગ્યાએ 2 લખેલો છે, that's it. Now what is 2 square? 4 minus here also 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So what we get is p of 2 is equal to 0. Right. So it is but clear કે 2 મૂકવાથી આ ભાઈનો આન્સર 0 થઈ જાય છે. So therefore I can write 2 is the 0 of given polynomial. Two is the 0 of given polynomial. Now let us check for 0. Right, instead of x we will now input 0. Yes, so again I will write the polynomial over here. Px is equal to x square minus 2x. Now instead of x we will write the value 0. So p of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 2 into 0. So again 0 square is 0 minus 2 into 0 is also 0 and 0 minus 0 is 0. આ રમત થઈ રહી છે આપણી સાથે. So p of 0 is also 0. Right. So again we can write therefore 0 is the 0 of given polynomial. 0 is the 0 of given polynomial. એવું નથી કે અહીંયા 0 છે એટલે 0 આવ્યો. x ની વેલ્યુ જે કાંઈ બી મૂકવાથી અહીંયા આન્સર 0 આવતો હોય તો આ સામેવાળા ભાઈ આ પોલિનોમિયલનો 0 કહેવાય. ક્યારેક એવું બી બનશે કે 0 મૂકવાથી આન્સર 0 ન આવે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આ પૂરું થઈ ગયું. But here we are taking one more example. For example, I am having x square minus 1. હવે અહીંયા x ની જગ્યાએ 0 મૂકો તો શું બની ગયું? આ 0 square minus 1. તો p of 0 નો આન્સર શું આવ્યો? -1. So here 0 is not a 0 of given polynomial. 0 is not a 0 of given polynomial. 0 મૂકવાથી અહીંયા આન્સર 0 નથી આવતો. સમજાય છે? તો આ 0 ની પાછળ બહુ કન્ફ્યુઝ થવાનું નહીં. I hope this is quite clear to you. So let me erase this and the remaining part, the question and answer, you have to write in CW. Fine. Please pause the video and write this down in your CW. Alright, I hope you have written this. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. This I am giving it to you as homework, and this homework you have to do it in CW. Try in CW. We will see the solution in the next video lecture and you can solve your doubts. So what you have to do is, just instead of x you have to write the value 0, you have to write the value 1 and you have to write the value 2. In short, you have to find p of 0, p of -1 and p of 2 for the given polynomial. Fine, so please try it in CW. And one more question, right? Question number 2. Again, you have to do the same thing but 4 times. Instead of this variable, you have to find 0, 1 and 2. P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So again, please try this in your CW. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Fine, so we end the video lecture over here. No homework in rough book. You don't have to do any homework in rough book because I know that the burden on your shoulders is increasing somewhere. Fine, so just write this in your CW, whatever I have explained, and apart from this, these 2 questions of exercise 2.2, main question number 1 and 2, try in CW. We will see their solution in the next video lecture, and then we shall move to the remaining exercise. Fine. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Take very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.